2 days ago, the prolific leakster S10 was posted 2 photos on his Twitter account. He says, "My initial purpose was to show you the S10 Plus look, so I showed a special wallpaper on Find X that made it look like the two front cameras, but then I was worried that it would cause misunderstanding and remove it. This is the truth of the matter." But today, he posted a video on his YouTube channel. So yeah, this is the official hands-on first look of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. But according to the S Universe, this is not the real S10 Plus device. Actually, it's the Oppo Find X, but he made a wallpaper that looks like two cameras embedded in the screen, which simulates the Galaxy S10. No doubt, it looks like the real Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. The Galaxy S10 Trio is expected to go live in about 3 months during 2019 MWC in Barcelona, and as we get closer to that date, the rumor mill starts spinning faster and faster. The latest piece of information comes from the HTML5 browser benchmark test that reveals some small tidbits about the most expensive variant, the Galaxy S10 Plus, and the most affordable one, the Galaxy S10 Lite. The model number of both handsets check out SMG970 for the Lite variant and SMG975 for the plus size variant. The results from the test list the screen resolution of the S10 Lite as 360x760, which translates into 1080x2280 pixels resolution with a 19:9 aspect ratio. As for the Plus model, the listing says it has a 412x869, which means it's actually a 1440x3040 tall QHD Plus resolution. Interestingly enough, we see that the Galaxy S10 Lite scored better than in the HTML5 test, but that's probably because both units are still in the developing phase. So yeah, that's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.